Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Study Light, making your study lighter and easier. आज हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 12th पॉलिटिकल साइंस का नेक्स्ट चैप्टर कंटेम्प्रेरी साउथ एशिया। और अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे इस लेसन की कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स और कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं इस लेसन की कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स। सबसे पहले August 15, 1947, India and Pakistan became independent countries. Second, 1948, Sri Lanka became an independent country. Third, September 1960, India and Pakistan signed the Indus Water Treaty. Fourth, 1965, India-Pak War. 1966, India and Pakistan signed Tashkent Agreement. 6th, 1971, Bangladesh became an independent country. 7th, 1971, again Indo-Pak War. 8th July 1972, India and Pakistan signed Shimla Agreement. 9th December 1985, South Asian leaders signed SAARC Charter. Next, 10th, 1988, India sent troops to Maldives to foil a coup attempted by mercenaries. 11th, December 1996, India and Bangladesh signed the Farakka Treaty for sharing of the Ganga water. Next, 12th December 1998, India and Sri Lanka signed FTA, means Free Trade Agreement. 13th July 2001, Agra Summit between Prime Minister Vajpayee and General Musharraf. 14th January 2004, SAFTA was signed in 12th SAARC Summit. 15th June 2005, multi-party system was introduced in Maldives. 16th April 2006, massive democratic protest began in Nepal. 17th 1949, India and Pakistan Residents means Citizenship Act was passed by Sri Lanka. 18th December 12, 1996, India and Bangladesh signed गंगा वाटर शेयरिंग ट्रीटी। और इसके साथ ही हमारी इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स ख़त्म होती हैं। अब हम करते हैं इस चैप्टर के कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। सबसे पहले, व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सार्क? SAARC, and the options are South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, B. South African Assembly of Regional Cooperation, C. Sri Lankan Association of All Religions Cooperation, या फिर D. South African and American Regional Communities. And the correct answer is A. South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. Next, second MCQ is, where was SAARC first summit held? And the options are A. Bangalore, B. Dhaka, C. Delhi, or D. Kolkata. And the correct option is B. Dhaka. Next, third, when was SAARC established? And the options are A. December 1980, B. November 1980, C. December 1985, or D. November 1985. And the correct option is C. December 1985. Fourth, where was the 18th SAARC summit held? And the options are November 2014 in India, B. November 2015 in Pakistan, C. November 2015 in Sri Lanka, or D. November 2014 in Nepal. And the correct answer is D. November 2014 in Nepal. Next, fifth. Name the countries which signed Shimla Agreement. And the options are A. Pakistan and Bangladesh, B. Pakistan and Sri Lanka, C. Sri Lanka and India, or D. India and Pakistan. And the correct option is D. India and Pakistan. Sixth, in which year multi-party system was introduced in Maldives? And the options are A. June 2000, B. April 2000, C. June 2005, or D. April 2005. And the correct option is C. June 2005. Seventh, name the countries which entered into FTA in December 1998. And options are A. India and Pakistan, B. India and Nepal, C. India and Sri Lanka, and D. India and China. And the correct option is C. India and Sri Lanka. Next, eighth, which Indian Prime Minister undertook bus journey to Lahore? And the options are A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Manmohan Singh, or D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And the correct option is D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Ninth, which countries signed the Faraka Treaty? And the options are A. India and Pakistan, B. India and Bangladesh, C. Pakistan and Bangladesh, or D. Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. And the correct option is B. India and Bangladesh. Next, 10th, write the names of two observer states of SAARC. And the options are A. USA and USSR, B. USA and China, C. China and Japan, or D. USSR or China. And the correct option is C. China and Japan. 11. In which year Pakistan and Bangladesh established diplomatic relations? And the options are A. 1976, B. 1977, C. 1978, or D. 1979. And the correct option is A. 1976. 12th, in which year India and Pakistan conducted nuclear tests? And the options are A. May 1990, B. June 1992, C. June 1995, or D. May 1998. And the correct option is D. May 1998. 13. In which year India sent peacekeeping force to Sri Lanka? And the options are A. 1985, B. 1986, C. 1987, or D. 1988. And the correct answer is C. 1987. 14th, what is the full form of SAFTA? SAFTA. And the options are A. South Asian Free Trade Area, B. South Africa Forest Training Academy, C. South Asian Fund for Trade and Art, D. South African Fund for Trade and Art. And the correct option is A. South Asian Free Trade Area. 15th, in which country struggle among pro-monarchy, pro-democracy groups and extremists created an atmosphere of political instability? And the options are A. Nepal, B. India, C. China, or D. Japan. And the correct option is A. Nepal. 16th, name the first country which liberalized its economy in the South Asian region? And the options are A. Nepal, B. China, C. India, or D. Sri Lanka. And the correct option is D. Sri Lanka. Next, 17th. Which country is centrally located and shares its borders with most of the South Asian countries? And the options are A. Nepal, B. India, C. Sri Lanka, or D. Pakistan. And the correct option is B. India. Next, 18th. In which island country the Sultan was the head of the state but now it is a republic? And the options are A. Sri Lanka, B. Maldives, C. Bhutan, or D. Nepal. And the correct option is B. Maldives. 19th. When was new constitution implemented in Nepal? And the options are A. 22nd September 2015, B. 22nd October 2014, C. 20th September 2015, or D. 20th October 2014. And the correct option is C. 20th September 2015. Next MCQ is 20th. Which of the following country is not a South Asian country? And the options are A. Bangladesh, B. India, C. Bhutan, or D. Russia. And the correct option is D. Russia. Now we have completed all the MCQs of this chapter. This question is for you. On which date a referendum was taken place in UK? You can give answer of this question in comment box. I'll give the answer of this question in next video. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel also. Thanks for watching.